Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Citroen Picasso. It's rare automatic, 7-seaters in lovely condition for its age. It's very high spec. It's got front park distance control. Wheels are in lovely condition. Got slight privacy glass to the rear. Rear park distance control as well. 7-seater, and these are really easy to take up and down. As you can see, that would be if you do it without the 7 seats or with the 7 seats. Just a shouting, lovely condition. Electric tailgate for ease. Half leather on the outsides here. Seats move. You're having all sorts of combinations. Got the picnic tables, you've got the sun blinds, got the full panoramic roof, electric windows and mirrors, got the massage seats. It's fully loaded. Park control here, Bluetooth, cruise control. Just start it up. So that's your panoramic roof. It does have a blind. Got your seats for watching the kids as well there. Nice big screen, satellite navigation, camera as well there, reverse camera. I'm really not a fan with these Citroens, but it's got a lot of buttons to press. Multi-city connect, air conditioning, your armrests here. Quite impressed with this. Drives ever so well. It's had the cam belt changed as well, which is important. At DJH, we provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.